Hello friends, welcome to our AWS tutorial. And in this tutorial, we learn about IAM. Means how we can create the user, we can update the policies, we can add that to groups, and many things are there. So let's start. So first we'll go to the IAM. I'll click here and we'll get the next page here. So in this we can get the groups option, users, roles, and policies. So first I'll click on we have to create the user. So I'll go for the users option and here I'll add the new user. So here we can see it's asking for username. So I'm giving test user and here it is asking for what type of access you want to give, what type of access type you want to give. Here is this programmatic access and second is AWS console access. So here I'm selecting both and here it is also asking for the console password. Means it should be your custom password or it can auto generate password. So here nothing, we'll use the auto-generated password that will because that will be complex and it will be secure also. And next option is our require password reset. Yes, user should must change the password at next login. So we'll click on next and once we'll click on next, so here we'll get the three options like add users to group, copy permission from the existing user, attach existing policy to directly. So here we can do two things. First, if you don't want to create any group or you means there is not more user and so you can go directly with this option like attach existing policy directory. So that is, if we want to give administrator access to this user, so here direct will get a multiple means policies. So here we can select this administrator and also we want to add that as the full access. So we can search here and it will show here that Amazon as the full access. So we'll select this option. So next we'll click on next. Next means tag. Tag means we have to I means give justification means for what we are creating this user. So here I'm going to use like I have given test. Okay. So click on review and here I get the options like this is the console means complete review page means user is test what type of access they have and what type of password option everything you can see here and also you can see the permission summary here what type of permission we have selected for them like user change password for scanning that is also one type of permission. Amazon access full access and administrator access is also there and you can also already added the tags to that user. So now we will click on create user and we will create the user. So now our user is getting created. So once it will get created, so we can see the it's getting created. I think yes, it's created here. So here we'll get three types of authentication like access key ID, secret key, and password. And you can also send these details to your mail if you want. Otherwise, now if you have to see the details, you can download it from here. It is CSV file, and you can keep it with you. Now you have to click on this link and this will redirect to a new page in that there it will ask for the users and password. You have to provide the users and password and then we'll be able to log into this user. And after that, if this user is having that administrator and access full access, so you'll be able to do the multiple things. So this is the first option. And again, if you want to create by group wise, so by group wise, you have to go like you have to create the group first. So I'll show you how we can create the group. So here we'll get the group option. Yes, we got the group option. So here we have to create group like admin group. We have to create admin. Okay. So admin group I have created here and now we have to attach the policy. Definitely if we have created any group, so policy should be also there. Then it can add to the users and the users will follow under that policy or permission. So let it come. Now it is asking for yes administrator access. So here we can use administrator access and asterisk full access. And here next step and now it is showing for review means this admin group is having two policies. So here we can click on create group And once group is created, so we can create our new users. Okay, like here we can click and test one. Test one, we can use the same option, nothing changed. So here we can add that group to our users. Here that group will come in the list. So I'll show you. Yes, here it is admin team, and here two permission policies we have attached. Now again it is asking for tag, so we can give our identification here and click on next review, and again the same. So now our user is created. So by this again we'll get the console, and by that we can use this URL to log in with this user, and you can download this file and you can keep it too. And also if you want, you can send this details to your mail ID. Okay, thank you friends, we'll see you in next video.